how to use Sniping Tool on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. You can open up your Sniping Tool by searching it on your Windows, and then you can see that there are different snipe options available: rectangular snip, freeform, window, and full screen. A practical example is when you take a screenshot using the rectangular snip, it will look like this. And then you can even use the delayed feature. So that means if you set it to 5 seconds, it will give you 5 seconds to make sure that the screen is right at the place where you want it to capture. Then on the middle, you can see that you can even use various colors and pencils to highlight the screenshot. So you can highlight any part that you want or even erase it if you don't like it. And then you can even use shapes like circle, square, etc. to highlight the part that you want to. And then there's also a feature to crop it. So you can crop the unwanted parts that you don't want on the screenshot and just hit the tick option. And you can also see the highlight texting feature. You can just highlight the text and copy the text and send it to someone if you want to. And another option, if you don't like any of it, then you can just undo or redo by using the two arrows on the top. Now, lastly, if you want to edit it more, then you can just go to edit in Paint, and then it will give you more features to use on the screenshot. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.